Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do box braids, and I'll be using expression pre-stretched hair in the color red. Today we'll be doing small or medium size, so let's get started. So first I'm going to be separating the hair that I'll be using to do the box braid, and I'm going to be splitting that piece of braiding hair into 3 even pieces. Then I'm gonna combine 2 pieces together to form one piece and leave the other piece by itself. So now we're working with 2 pieces only. You should have one large piece, well, not large, but one big piece and one small piece. Now take the smaller piece of braiding hair and crisscross it over the bigger piece of braiding hair. It should look like this. First, pinch the knot in the middle. That's going to prevent the pieces from moving. Using my right hand, I'm holding the right section with my index finger and thumb. Now with my left hand, I'm using my index finger to split or separate those 2 pieces of braiding hair so that I can put my index finger through the middle. I'm gonna slow it down so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna separate the mannequin's hair, the piece that we're about to braid. I'm gonna separate that into 3 even pieces. So I'm just gonna show you how to match each section up with the braiding hair. So the left, the middle, and the right. The left piece of braiding hair goes with the left piece of natural hair. The right piece of braiding hair is gonna go with the right piece of natural hair. And the middle piece of braiding hair goes with the middle piece of natural hair. So each piece goes exactly where it is. Now that we got that out of the way, let's begin. So the middle section goes over the right section while pulling that right section to the middle. Step 2. Now reach under the middle section and grab the left section, pulling that section to the middle. Now the braiding hair is attached to the natural hair, but it's not yet secured. So grip tightly and firmly, not too tight to hurt your client, but firm. So it's not gonna slip and it's not gonna move. And don't let go of your grip. And we're gonna repeat that step over and over. So I slowed the beginning of the braid down a little bit so you can get the concept. And the next braid, well, it's the same braid, but I just started over so you can see in real time. So let's repeat the process with some tips this time. Remember to keep your hands flat and place the braiding hair as close as possible to the client's scalp. Your middle fingers, index fingers, and thumb are the ones doing the most work. I also recommend purchasing a mannequin head for braiding, and I would leave the link to one of them on Amazon in the description. For braiding, the more you practice, the better you get and the easier it gets. So practice more. What you just saw me do is called borrowing, and I'll teach you how to do that later on in the video. Also, keep a firm grip on the braids and braid all the way down with the same firm grip. So usually when you get to the bottom of the braid or the end of the braid, it starts getting smaller or skinnier. So all you need to do is borrow a small piece of hair from the larger section and add to the smaller section. You're going to be grabbing a small piece of hair from the larger section. Bring that over to the middle section, which is the smaller section. This section is going to be for my visual learners. I may come back in and between to give you some tips, but go ahead and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And please, please subscribe. Bye.